In this video, I will walk you through the process of creating an intelligent agent in your Brightspace course. To add intelligent agents to your course, log in and then choose Manage Course from the top navigation bar, and then choose Intelligent Agents from the drop-down menu. The Intelligent Agents tool allows you to send an email alert to students based on whichever criteria you would like. For example, you can have an email sent to students reminding them of an upcoming assignment or quiz deadline. You can also send an email to students who haven't logged into your course for a few days, reminding them about the importance of logging in regularly. You can also send an email to students welcoming them to your course as they register. The options are endless. I'll walk through how to create an intelligent agent. First, select New Agent. And then you will give your agent a name. I'll call mine Welcome Email. We'll create an intelligent agent that sends a welcome email to all new students that are added to my course. I can add a description if I like. I can also create categories. If you end up creating many intelligent agents, you might want to organize them, and category helps you do that. However, it is not required. You can choose if and when your agent is enabled. And then I can schedule. So how frequently do I want the system to look to send this email out? So I will say daily. Once a day, I want the system to look to see which students meet this criteria and send this email. So we'll say once a day, and then I'll decide what time of day I want this email sent. So we'll say 3 p.m. So 3 p.m. every day, I would like Brightspace to see who meets the criteria and send this email. I can choose which dates. So this is a welcome email. So I'll say that I want this email sent out for the first 2 weeks of the course, right until I drop. So let's say September 9th to September 23rd. That's when majority, if not all students, will be added to my course. So this will it should catch everybody. Now criteria. Do I want it to send it to all users in my class list? No. I want it to send only to students. So I'll select users with specific roles and then choose learner from the list of options. This next section, take action on activity. So here, if I want to send this email based on login activity. So when they've logged into Brightspace or logged into my course. So you can see here, I can choose course activity. If the user has not accessed the course in the last however many days, I can type that in and then have this intelligent agent be sent out based on this criteria. I won't do that today. I want to send this welcome email to students that register for my course. So I'll create a release condition by selecting Create. If I choose a drop-down menu under condition type, you will see that I have a very large list of reasons to send this intelligent agent, right? So for this one, it really is based on role. All students with a certain role in my course should be receiving this intelligent agent. And that role is learner. So I'll create. Now let's go back and take a look at what we've done. We've created an intelligent agent called Welcome Email that is sent out daily, once a day at 3 p.m. between September 9th and September 23rd to students who are added to my course as a learner. So the action, which is the final area, do I want to take the action the first time or every time? So the first time. And then I want to choose to send an email by selecting that checkbox. And now I can draft my email. What intelligent agents use, or you can use in intelligent agents, is something called replace strings. If I select this link here, what replace strings can I use in the subject and message? Here is a full list of replace strings. However, the list is actually longer than this. What I would recommend that you do is Google Brightspace replace strings, and you'll probably find a bigger list that has all of the replace strings. These are just some of them, okay? So here I can have a replace string, for example, that says initiating users. This is the replacing string that you would use to send to any users that initiate or meet the terms of this intelligent agent, right? So it's initiating user is used. You can see that you can CC or BCC yourself if you want, or a TA, depending on the intelligent agents. Then you can choose your subject, and then you type your message here. So you can say hello, and then choose a replace string. So I will say the first name of the initiating user by copying this and pasting it here. Now, whoever is receiving this email, it will say their name. It'll say hello and their first name. The students will never know that you used an intelligent agent. It won't say any other name but theirs, okay? And then we'll type up the remainder of the email. So let's find the email here and paste it in. There we go. The font changed a little bit, so I'm just going to highlight it and choose paragraph. There we go. All right, so now we're welcoming students to the course with this email. So here it says, welcome to the course. What I can do is put in a replace string that actually types in the name of this course. So I'll delete this. I'll look for the replace string for my org unit. Here it is, the name of the org unit, copy, and I'll put that in. So now it will say, welcome to Brightspace. Will look for the name of the course and automatically add it here. Okay, and then you can fill out the rest. Now, this message can be used for any course, right? Because it doesn't actually have any course-specific information in it. It is just pulling from the system. Okay, so now I'm happy. I do have the option of uploading a file if I chose to do so, or I can record a video or an audio clip to go along with my email. Now I'll choose Save and Close right before I enable. Let's go ahead and enable and then Save and Close. And that's it. Now I have set up an intelligent agent to look for new students for the first 2 weeks of my class every day and send them this customized welcome email.